Hello there. Here we have 3 bottles of engine oil for cars, each of which has a grade. There's 5W20, 5W30 and 15W40. In this video I'll explain in the simplest possible terms what these engine oil grades mean, and for that we need some tomato ketchup. Obviously. Welcome to Cars by TV. Right, an engine oil grade refers to its viscosity. Viscosity means its resistance to flow. Don't worry though, that's not as complicated as it sounds. Simply think of viscosity as the thickness of a liquid and recognise that the thickness affects how quickly it flows. For example, here's some water. This water is very thin, so it flows quickly, as we can see, so the water has a low viscosity. In contrast, there's the tomato ketchup. This ketchup is significantly thicker than the water, so it flows at a much slower pace, as we can see. See it going down? So this ketchup has a higher viscosity. Nearly spilt it. Here's a scale that shows some common engine oil viscosities. At one end there's a 0. That's for a thin oil that flows quickly. At the other end there's a 60. That's for a thick oil that flows slowly in comparison. And of course there are various grades in between. Many years ago, car engine oil typically had a single grade viscosity, 30 for example. This lubricated the engine well within a fairly narrow temperature range. However, a modern oil tends to have 2 viscosities within its grade, as it works well at a wider range of temperatures. That gives it a multi-grade viscosity of, for example, 5W30. The 5 is the oil's grade at lower temperatures. For example, when you're starting a cold engine on a cold day. That's why the 5 sits next to a W that stands for winter. In contrast, 30 is the grade once the engine's at working temperature, which, for this purpose, is defined as 100 degrees Celsius. So, the oil has viscosity grades for low and high temperatures. Let's now compare our example oil to some others. Compared to our 5W30 example, 0W30 is thinner at low temperatures. We know because 0 is lower on the viscosity scale than 5. Additionally, compared to our example of 5W30, 5W50 is thicker at working temperature. We know because 50 is higher on the scale than 30. And as I promised to keep things simple, we're going to stop this video here. Why is the picture gone so dark? It shouldn't be like that. I hope my camera's not broken. Before you go though, don't forget to subscribe to Cars by TV, to click like on this video, and to visit carsbytv.com if you'd like a look around there. And while you do those things, I'll put the tomato ketchup back in the fridge. Bye.